Hey there, food lovers, ready to upgrade your kitchen. In this video, we're revealing the best food processors and blenders that make chopping, blending, and prepping a breeze. Whether you're crafting smoothies, sauces, or meal prep magic, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for top picks and features to transform your cooking routine. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Ninja BL7 70 Mega Kitchen Food Processors. This Ninja Blender food processor combo delivers 1,500 watts of power and features 3 blades, making it powerful enough to crush ice and versatile enough to tackle a range of food prep tasks. The 8-cup food processor bowl includes both a chopping blade and a dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. The 72-ounce blender offers 4 speed settings, label for dough, ice crushing, blending, and single serve, along with a pulse button, allowing you to easily select your desired consistency. For convenient on-the-go smoothies, the system includes 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with lids. The parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The food processor bowl's chopping and dough blades make it ideal for both food prep tasks like slicing vegetables and preparing dough. However, cleaning the unit can be more challenging than the Ninja Footy cold and hot blender due to the main jar's blade design, which requires careful handling to avoid injury. It's also an older model, lacking the automatic blending program featured in newer options. Pros: powerful 1,500 watt motor can crush ice and pulverize tough foods. Comes with a range of blades for different tasks, including a dough blade. Includes 2 travel cups with lids for taking smoothies to go. Cons: this large 72-ounce blender may take up valuable counter space. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 12-cup stack and snap food processor. For about half the cost of our top pick, this budget-friendly food processor from Hamilton Beach offers reliable performance at a great value. Its simple design makes it easy to use and clean, though food can accumulate in the gap between the plunger and lid lip, requiring extra attention during washing. The versatile main blade handles chopping, mixing, pureeing, and emulsifying, while the included attachment disc features a slicing side and a shredding/grating side. Conveniently, the blades can be stored directly inside the machine, and 4 label buttons allow you to switch between functions with ease. However, this model isn't as heavy-duty or durable as some higher-end options. Like the Cuisinart, frequent use may lead to wear and tear, so hand-washing the components can help extend its lifespan. Despite these limitations, it delivers consistent results and is straightforward to assemble and disassemble. The machine's 12-cup capacity is a standout feature, making it ideal for large tasks like chopping onions, carrots, potatoes, or cabbage in bulk. On the downside, it struggles with smaller tasks. Renee found that fine ingredients like parsley leaves often got stuck beneath the blade, making it less practical for smaller jobs. Number 3. Ninja BN801 64-ounce Professional Plus Kitchen System. This Ninja programmable food processor blender combo stands out with its 5 auto IQ presets: smoothie, ice crush, extract, chop, and dough, designed to simplify meal prep. Each preset uses intelligent programming to automatically adjust pulse, chop, and blend patterns for optimal results. For added flexibility, the system also includes 4 manual settings: low, medium, high, and pulse. The combo comes equipped with a 72-ounce pitcher, an 8-cup food processor bowl, and 2 24-ounce single-serve cups, all powered by a robust 1,400 peak watt motor. This ensures impressive performance across various tasks. However, it lacks the slicing and shredding tools typically found in food processors, which may limit its versatility for some users. The Auto IQ presets streamline everything from smoothies and ice crushing to juice extraction, chopping, and dough kneading. Combined with the manual controls, this system offers a balance of convenience and precision. While it's one of Ninja's more expensive models, its ability to replace 3 separate kitchen appliances may make it a worthwhile investment for many home cooks. Pros: versatile accessories, easy to use and clean, ample food processor capacity, 5 different Auto IQ preset programs. Cons: no slicing or shredding capabilities. Number 4. Cuisinart 14-cup vegetable food processor. This food processor may not have all the bells and whistles, but it outperforms every other model we tested. Its simple operation features just 2 large paddle buttons, one for on and the other for off/pulse, making it incredibly easy to use. The 14-cup work bowl is perfect for family-sized batches and features an extra-large feed tube with both small and large pushers, so there's no need to cut ingredients into small pieces to fit. It includes two discs, one for shredding and one for slicing, along with a removable disc stem that fits both, plus a metal blade for chopping, mixing, blending, and emulsifying. The only minor challenges might come with initial setup. Assembling the attachments for the first time can be a bit tricky, but not overly difficult, and cleaning the various parts. However, for the price, this food processor offers exceptional value. One of our editor's parents has had the same model for over 30 years, and it still works like new at $150 plus. It's an investment, but if you're seeking a high-performance machine that could potentially last a lifetime, it's more than worth it. Pros: powerful 720-watt motor, quick and effective, extra large feed tube. Cons: not the easiest to clean. Number 5. Oster Pro 1200 blender and 5-cup food processor. The Oster Pro 1200 blender food processor combo is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool designed to handle a wide range of tasks. Equipped with a 1200-watt motor, it effortlessly blends, chops, and purees everything from smoothies to sauces and soups. This combo includes a 6-cup glass blender jar, a 5-cup food processor bowl, a stainless steel slicing disc, and a chopping blade, allowing home cooks to prepare a variety of recipes with ease. Additionally, a 24-ounce smoothie cup lets you quickly blend your drink and take it on the go, perfect for work, school, or the gym. A standout feature is its smart settings technology, which offers 7 speeds and 3 pre-programmed settings to ensure optimal performance. Whether you're blending frozen fruit or pureeing hot soups, smart settings automatically adjust the speed and power to suit the task for the best results. Pros: powerful 1200-watt motor can easily blend, chop, and puree a variety of foods. Smart settings technology offers 7 speeds and 3 pre-programmed settings, includes a 24-ounce smoothie cup for on-the-go drinks. Cons: may be loud during operation due to powerful motor.